Let's talk about sciatica. I very frequently get requests about what kind of yoga to do if you have sciatica. First, let me explain what sciatica is, and then I'll talk about what you need to do in terms of your yoga practice. Sciatica is when we have pain in the low back that extends down. It's kind of a radiating pain that you may feel down to your upper legs or your knees or your calves, and sometimes even down into your feet. You may feel it on one side or both sides, and you may feel it some days more on one side and some days more on the other side. The thing is that sciatica can be caused by a few different things. Sometimes sciatica is caused by a nerve that's being pinched in your lumbar spine, in your low back region. And it might be being pinched because of a number of different issues. You may have disc degeneration, you may have a bulging disc, you could have a bone spur. Anything could be causing a compression of a nerve that's causing your sciatica. Sometimes sciatica is caused by a muscular issue, like you have some kind of compensation going on and one of your muscles is very tight, and that tightness of the muscle is compressing that same nerve that causes that radiating pain down your leg. It's important to see your doctor so that you can get a diagnosis about the cause of your sciatica. If your sciatica is due to an issue with your spine, this is the bone spurs and disc degeneration and the bulging disc that I mentioned earlier. So if you're having one of these issues, it may be necessary to see your physical therapist first so that you can work on the acute phase of your pain. And then once you graduate from physical therapy, you can continue with your yoga practice. Or if your sciatica is due to a muscular issue, there's just a muscle that's too tight, that may be something that you can begin working on with your yoga practice. If you have any questions about sciatica and yoga, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.